हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक अगेन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे आपके नॉन स्टडी रिलेटेड टाइप, यानी कि इसमें स्टडी रिलेटेड डिस्कशन नहीं होगा। हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे कॉलेज लेक्चरर एग्ज़ाम दैट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 4 अप्रैल 2021। ओके, so many students have been asking about the holding about your set exam before holding your college lecturer exam. So according to my ideas, this is a valid requirement should be held, because many community have only reservation in our Rajasthan, not in central. So these community have been asking about the happening the set exam. इफ़ यू आर नेट क्लियर, तो नेट क्लियर स्टूडेंट चाहते हैं कि डिले नहीं हो, बट वन थिंग आई एम श्योर दैट दे आर आल्सो अश्योर्ड कि गिवन टाइम इज़ वेरी लेस, दिया हुआ टाइम बहुत कम था, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी RPSC हैव इंक्रीज देयर 25% ऑफ द सिलेबस. देन ए प्रॉपर एग्जाम टाइम शुड बी गिवन टू, ओके, बिकॉज योर सिलेबस इज एक्सपेंड. लास्ट ईयर की जो बढ़ती 2016 में जब एग्ज़ाम हुआ था उसकी तुलना में अब की 25% सिलेबस एक्सपेंड है, तो एक प्रॉपर टाइम देना चाहिए. 2 or 3 month इज़ नॉट sufficient time, because you are after PG, most of the student are in the any job, any private or government job, so they don't have any much time. So 2 or 3 month is very less time to prepare this kind of a big exam. This is not a tiny exam, and it is not a tiny syllabus that you will complete 2 or 3 month. तो इस बात से तो नेट क्लियर स्टूडेंट भी सहमत होंगे. सो इफ़ यू कांट हेल्ड सेट एग्ज़ाम, देन यू शुड गिवन अस ए प्रॉपर टाइम फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग दिस एग्ज़ाम, ओके, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी नो लास्ट टाइम 2013 सेट वाज हेल्ड, एंड in 2016 college lecturer exam happened. After this exam, we are not assured that 3 or 4 year any exam will held in college lecturer exams. So this exam should happen, I know. And if you can't hold set exam, then one thing you can do is given us a proper time for preparing this kind of a vast syllabus. This is a valid point. This is not delaying the exam theories, okay. We also want to complete the exam in time, but a proper time should be given all the student for fair preparation, because this exam is happening after 4 or 5 years. So why are RPSC in so hurry? If you are in hurry, then complete all another exams. 2018 की भर्ती वाले जो कॉलेज जो स्कूल लेक्चरर्स हैं उन्हें ज्वाइनिंग नहीं दिए, उन्हें ज्वाइनिंग दो. सो हरी इन दैट जॉइंस नॉट हियर. दिस थिंग शुड बी हैपन, एंड दिस इज ए वैलिड पॉइंट आई वुड से. एंड one thing I would also say that a very biggest loophole in the RPSC system is they are not clarify their specific exam calendar. They should be very clarify and notify their exam calendar, and according to their exam calendar they should follow up their rules, and according to their date we will also prepare only our choice exam. So this thing should be happen. This is very easy task, should be completed by the RPSC authorities. And if you can't hold the set exam, then given us a proper time to prepare this exam. This thing all students are asking, and let's see what happen. And if this thing is happening, so it's simple as that. And I am also uploading some subject related, that is botany related videos, and I will also upload some GK related videos too. So let's see and hope for the best. Let's see what happen, and be prepare your exam. Don't think anything else. If exam is happening, then we can't do anything. This is system, and we are also part of the system. So don't criticize it, accept it, just prepare for it. Thanks, best of luck.